Okay, last week we discussed about sequence and selection. I would like to ask more question from you. Is there anyone new to the class today? Or is there anyone who couldn't come to the class? Or is there anyone who didn't understand the concept? Because I can just summarize the lesson for you and start. හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ ක්ලාස් එකට එන්න බැරි වුණ කවුරු හරි අදාව කවුරු හරි හෝ එහෙම නැත්නම් ක්ලාස් එකේ කරපු දේවල් අපහැදිලි තේරුනේ නැති කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවනම් පොඩ්ඩක් කියන්න then I can start a summary discussion and then go to the lesson.
Sir, could you please repeat the summary? Could you please summarize?
Right, okay, sure. Right, lesson summary. So first of all, actually we are learning about program development, right? In program development, that means how we are writing instructions to the computer. So in order to get something done from the computer, we have to instruct the computer, right? That is number one principle. අපි computer එකකට මොනවා හරි computer එකකින් වැඩක් කරගන්න ඕන නම් we have to write instructions to the computer and instruct the computer first. computer එකකින් වැඩක් කරගන්න ඕන නම් මුලින් අපි computer එකට instruction දීලා මේ වැඩේ කරගන්න විදිය කියලා දීලා ඉන්න ඕන. So that is the nature, because it cannot think and do that for you. It will think according to the instructions given. අපි දුන්න උපදෙස් අනුව විතරයි යාට හිතන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඒක නිසා අපි computer එකට instruction එකක් දෙන්න ඕන. To do that we are using computer programming languages, and Scratch is also used to give instruction to the computer. Scratch වලිනුත් කරන්නේ computer වලට instruction එකක් දෙන එක. We learn about the Scratch interface and these components. So this is called the stage. This is the active space. මෙතන තමයි අපිට output එකක් පේන්නේ. And the middle space, this is where we write the code. මෙතන තමයි අපි code ලියන්නේ. And this is where codes are there. These code blocks are there in this section. Actually, we don't want to write the codes because already written code blocks are there. අපි අලුතෙන් ලියන්න දෙයක් නෑ. අපිට තියෙන්නේ පිළිවෙලට හදාගන්න එක විතරයි. හේතුව මේ වෙද්දී හදපු instructions පැත්තක තියෙනවා. And this is the stage. Stage එකේ රඟපාන කට්ටිය, these actors in the stage are called sprites. Sprite වල තමයි අපි program ලියන්නේ. According to the programs, sprites are active. එතකොට අපිට background එකක් දාන්න ඕන නම් මෙතනින් දාගන්න පුළුවන්. Sprite වලට background එකක් දාගන්න ඕන නම් we can import that from here. That we learned. And then we learned to plan the program, to plan the code. Before coding, we are using flowcharts because it is easy to show the steps and everyone will understand, because it is simple way of symbolically showing the instructions. computer එකට උපදෙස් දෙන්න කලින් අපි plan එකක් හදන්න ඕන. හරියට ගයක් හදනකොට plan එකක් හදනවා වගේ. ඉතින් මේ plan එක හදන්න අපි plan එක වචනෙන් ලියන්නේ නැතුව symbol වලින් පෙන්නනවා. හේතුව symbol ඕන කෙනෙකුට තේරුම් ගන්න ලේසි නිසා. Okay, that's why we are using these symbols, right? මේ symbols පිළිවෙලට ලියනවා නම්, so if you are writing these symbols according to a sequential order, that is called sequence control structure. එතකොට මේ plan එක තියෙන විදිහ අනුවත් අපිට තියෙන structures තුනක්. So can you remember the other structures? One is sequence. What are the other two?
Repetition. Selection.
Selection and repetition. Yes. Yes, thank you. Very good. Selection and repetition. Sequence කියලා කියන්නේ instructions are executed one after another. Let's say adding two numbers. To add two numbers, so think about the symbols. You have to start. Starting is rounded rectangle. Ending or stopping is also rounded rectangle. We can tell end also. Here we can mention as end if you want. Stop is also okay. End is also okay. In your book, I think end is there. Start and end. And those are rounded rectangle. In between that, you have the instructions. Enter number 1, enter number 2. Both are inputs. Because entering, inputting. Enter number 1, enter number, both are input. Input symbol is parallelogram. සමාන්තරාශ්‍රයක් තමයි input පෙන්වන්න ගන්න. Not only for input, outputs are also shown using parallelogram. Input විතරක් නෙවෙයි, output පෙන්වන්නේ සමාන්තරාශ්‍රයකින්. Processes are shown using a rectangle. Kriyavali. Okay, so that is how the flow chart is organized. This is the data flow, right? This is the data flow. Okay, this control structure is called sequence, right? Since the above instructions are executed one after another, according to the sequential order, we call it sequence control structure. Okay, I have few questions in the chat. Let's respond that. No, Sandaru. So, we have two groups, right? We have not two groups, that is correct. We have two groups. This is Monday class. So, grade
Oh,
7.
sorry, sir, I think I joined the wrong class.
Right, okay. Got it. Understood, right? We joined the wrong class. This is grade 7. There's another batch that is on Thursday, right? There's another
yes,
batch
sir.
for grade 7 that is on Thursday.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay. Right. Then sequence is where you execute instruction one after another. Instruction sequence කියලා කියනවා. දෙක. Number 2, selection. Selection is where you have to decide based on a condition. Here, method එනකන් selection here. Starting enter number 1, enter number 2, finding the average. That means number 1, number 2 divided by 2. It's a process. Sequence. But hereafter, it is selection. You have to either select this way or this way. දෙකේම යන්න බෑ. You came to a junction. It has right side road and a left side, another road. And you have to decide whether to go right or left. You can't go both left and right. එහෙම කරන්න බෑ. You cannot go both left and right. Either right or left. Half of your body will not go left and the other half will not go right. That will not happen. You have to either go right or left. So that is the selection. So if number 1 is greater than, then display number 1. Actually, you are going to display the largest one. If number 1 is not greater than number 2, then number 2 should be the largest one. You are displaying number 2. Actually, this question, draw a flow chart to input 2 numbers and display the largest number and the average of those 2 numbers. Also create a scratch code. Right? We have done this to create, right? Find the largest number, also to print the average. Okay, after calculating average, after connecting this, you can display the average and so on. This is what we have done during past 2 weeks. If you missed the class, anything else, you need to clarify anything else. And this is what we did last 2 weeks. Actually, if you want, I can write the code for this just to show how we write codes in Scratch. Okay, let's write code for this quickly. I'll give you a chance to write the code. Okay, up to now, do you have any doubts? Doubts? Any doubts up to now?
No, sir.
Okay, great. Anyone else? Okay, I believe you don't have any doubts. Right, let's proceed to the programming. Okay, I'm going to the Scratch website and I'll send the link to you also. But you can now, actually, you know this because we have done few days, 2 days, we have done this. After going to the Scratch, we can go to the Start Creating and you will be redirected to this kind of page. And here's the link for those who don't have the link. Please use this link to log into the site. You just click on and it will be loaded. Even though you are using a mobile phone, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you're using a laptop or tab or anything, it will be loaded. Right? You don't want to worry. Regardless of your device, you can use Scratch. Mobile phones supported, tabs supported, laptops supported, desktops supported. Yes?
Excuse me, sir. What is the one called My Blocks?
My blocks means you can define your own blocks. Right? So let's learn that that is for advanced programming, that is for functions. Right? We learn it in the programming class, but not in your class, right? You can
Okay.
define your own code segments. Okay, right. Let's move to this and okay, understand about the scenario, the given scenario. Okay, according to this, how many variables you need? So please see the flow chart. Just go to the flow chart and let me know how many variables.
Three variables.
What are the three variables?
Number one, number two, average.
Okay, what are variables?
It's
Variables
like
are when, yes, those are memory locations, right? Similar to,
empty containers.
yes, empty containers, empty mug. මග් එකක් වගේ හිස් මග් එකක් වගේ මේ මග් එකට අපිට ඕන තරම් වතුර දාන්න පුළුවන් ඕන තරම් කියන්නේ මග් එක පිරෙනකම් වතුර හරි ටී හරි ඕන දෙයක් දාන්න පුළුවන් ඒ වගේ තමයි මේ empty containers නැත්නම් මේ empty slots n1 කියන එකට අපිට ඕන number එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන් n2 you can put any number average it can be any value ඒ වගේ මොකක් හරි value එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන් memory location එකක් අපි කියනවා variable එකක් so you need three variables I'm going to create that now I'll go to variables. I need three variables, n1, because I need to hold number one. N1 is one variable. I need to hold number two, make a variable again, n2. I need to hold number three, make a variable, not number three, sorry, average. Okay, these are the three variables that I'm going to use. And when you put a tick, මෙතනට tick එකක් දැම්මම මේවා මෙතන ඉස්සරහා පෙන්නනවා. If I remove the tick, it's not appearing here. If I put the tick, you can see it here. Remove the tick, it's not appearing, right? So I want to display it here. So therefore I'm keeping it here. Right, first step, start. Starting can be done when you click the flag, start. When you click the flag, start. Then enter number one. I can use sense in. Enter number one, ask number one, ask number two. And the answer given for this, you can store in this variable. The first answer you can store in number one. The second answer you can store in number two. Second answer you can store in number two. And the question should be, enter number one. And the second question, enter number two. Those numbers given by the user will be stored in N1 and N2. Let's see. Pressing this, enter number one, 45. Press enter. You can see 45 is stored here. Enter number two, 56. Enter. You can see 56 is stored here. And that is the process of this. Okay, please do this now. Do
Finish,
this now.
sir.
Finish. Good. Right, others, don't worry. Don't worry. There are some very good programmers in the class. So don't worry about them. You do your own style. That doesn't matter.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, අර යට තියෙන extension කියන එකේ camera එකෙන් මොකද්ද කරන්න පුළුවන් sir?
ඒ extension එකෙන් ගන්න පුළුවන් music ගන්න පුළුවන්.
ඔව් sir, camera එකෙන් මොකද්ද කරන්න පුළුවන්?
Cam එකෙන් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඔයාගේ webcam එකෙන් input එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාගේ video එකක්. හරි image එකක් හරි. You can take that.
Sir, එකෙන් මොකක් හරි දෙයක් ඒකට sensing වුණාම පේන දෙයක් වෙන විදිහට හදන්න බැයිද?
ඔව් එහෙම පුළුවන්. ඒ කියන්නේ අර අපි අර games play කරේ පුතේ මතකද webcam එකෙන් games play
ඔව්
කරේ?
sir.
ඒ වගේ ඒවා හදන්න පුළුවන්. Bubbles break වෙන්න ඒ වගේ ඒවා හදන්න පුළුවන්.
ඔව් sir.
Okay. හරිද? මොනා හරි කරගන්න බැරි කාට හරි ගැටලු තියෙනවා නම් පුතේ. So if you think that you cannot do or you are struggling in the middle, I'll give you the chance to share the screen. මම දැන් sharing the screen enable කරන්න. කාට හරි කරගන්න බැරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් screen share කරන්න. Because no need to be shy. We all are learning. I'm trying to give you the knowledge to everyone. එතකොට එක්කෙනෙක් හරි පොඩ්ඩක් පහු වෙලා යනවා නම් මම එයාට උදව් කරනවා. මොකද පිටිපස්සෙම යන එක්කෙනාවත් අඳු කරගෙන ගියාම තමයි ඔක්කොටම ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලෝ හැලෙනවනේ. එහෙම වෙන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒ හින්දා ඕගොල්ලන්ට තේරුම් නැත්නම් කරගන්න බැරි නම් අහන්න. අනිත් එක ඕගොල්ලෝ ඕගොල්ලන්ට අවංක වෙන්න පුතේ අහන්න නැතුව ඉන්න එපා. ක්ලාස් එකේ මට ලැජ්ජයි අනිත් අය මොනවද හිතයිද දන්නේ නැහැ. එහෙම හිතන්න එපා. Don't think like that because respect yourself. Not knowing the answer is not something to be shy because that is not error. Right? We all born as like babies. Actually, at that time we had nothing. When we are leaving the world, again, we have nothing to go, nothing to take. Right? Therefore, don't worry. Everything in between is how you acquire and how soon you acquire. So don't worry about that. So still, there are some babies. I don't want them to be in the class. No, that is not. It's okay. Even babies are accepted in the class. Yes.
I have problem. Can I share this?
Yeah, you can share this way. That is the simplest way of getting the help. Please do it. Very good. Let me inform.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I can't put this answer here.
Let's put in.
Sir, previously it didn't come.
That's just a magic, right? Don't worry. When you drag it, you can do this. Anyway, anyone else? Anyone else need help? Okay, I believe that others. All right. Okay, someone else is also sharing. Right. This time, okay. Yes, you have to set. You have to set the variables. Go to make a variable. Go to make a variable. Wait. I'll show you. No, please go to variables. The orange color one. Right. Then you can go to make a variable. Make a variable. Yes. Create a variable. Call n1. N1. Letter N and 1. Okay. Click OK. Do it again. Create n2. Do it again. Create n2. Do it again, Pute. Make a variable n2. And do it again. Create average. Do it again. Create average. Memory locations are needed, right? Average. Let's put AVG. Okay, it's enough. Okay. Click OK. Okay, click OK. Done. Okay, now you can change this. Right? To number 1. Click and change it to number 1. Right, okay. Then just attach this to okay. And right click and get a duplicate. So easiest way. Right click in the blue one. You just right click in the blue one and duplicate the first one. Okay, just bring down, keep it there. Yes, keep it there. And second one you change to n2. Okay, done. Good. Now you need the answer. Answer is there in sensing. You can see the answer. Yes, drag it and keep it yes over there, and the next one also. Okay, good. Now, right, you can change the question, enter number 1 and the second question also. Just change it to enter number 1 and enter number 2. Enter number 1. Enter number 1. And enter number 2. right? If anyone is else is doing, you can just follow this one, right? Make a follow කරන්න හරි තව කාට හරි පරක්කු වෙලා කරගන්න බැරි වුණා නම් එතන මෙයා කරන විදිහටම කරන් ගියා නම් හරි. නැත්නම් මම තව එක්කෙනෙකුට chance එකක් දෙන්න කොහොමද තව questions තියෙනවා නම් share කරන්න. Number two is the second one, right? Okay, I think. Is there anyone taking the chance? Right, okay, I'll take the chance.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it correct like this?
Sorry.
Sir, can I share the screen? I have
Yeah,
a
sure.
copy.
Sure. Can do. Allow. You can do it now.
Sir, is this correct?
Usually number one, then to number two, and wait number two to the answer. Yes, correct. But you're going to calculate the total also. That is also okay. No matter. Correct. Right.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Let's move to the next one. Right. Then I have to find the average. Average is found by adding number one and number two. You can add number one to number two and then divide it by 2 because there are two numbers. දෙකෙන් බෙදුවම හරි. සංඛ්‍යා දෙක එකතු කරලා දෙකෙන් බෙදුවා නම් you can find the average. To do that, I'm going to tweak operations. Divide by 2. මොකද්ද දෙකෙන් බෙදන්න ඕන? I have to add number one, number two together. From the variables, I'm adding the number one and number two together. After that, I'm dividing it by 2. I'm just placing here now. Number one plus number two divide by 2. Okay, I found the average. Now I can set that to the average variable. Set average to this whole thing. When you drag, please note that drag cannot be balanced. When you drag, don't drag from this, drag from the everything. When you drag closer, you can see this white color ring appearing. White color රවුමක් එනවා. එතකොට ඒකේ drop කරා නම් හරි. Then drop that. Then that will be attached. Okay, I found the numbers and I found the average. Now I have to decide what? I have to decide whether number one greater than number two. To do that, I'm going to go to the control. If operations, number one is greater than if from the variables again, number one is greater than number two. If it is yes, I have to show number one because the largest number I want to show. I'll show number one. If not, let's duplicate. I have to show number two. Right. After that, I have to display the average. To do that again, I'm going to the looks and I'm displaying the average. Okay, this is the last day code. I have actually done this again for the students who missed that. Do this quickly. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll let you share the screen.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, ඔය file එක chat එකට share කරන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Can do. So what's the requirement? Can't we do that? අපි කරමු නේද? share කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Okay, sir.
තනියෙන් කරන්න පුළුවන් නේ. ඉතින් වෙලා කියන්නේ නැහැනේ.
පුළුවන්, sir.
Right? Okay. Let's do this because I'm going to edit this further. That's why I'm not sharing now. I'm going to edit this further. Further fine tune. That's why. Okay, do this. If you need any assistance, any help, let me know. Then I can help. Yes, you can share the screen today. Quickly do this. Hello. Those who said that you need, yeah, one who said that you need help can share the screen. Quickly. Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Rehansa?
Sir, can I share my screen,
Yes, yes,
sir?
yes. Do it, do it. Do it without so I can just do it. Okay. Still it's loading. Right. Okay, can see it now. Okay. But there's a problem in the average, Pute. Average is taken by, so can you just drag it down? The average one? Average hoye pe ko podda pallata drag karanna Rehansa. There's a small problem. So that is minor thing. You cannot see that. Here, this one. Can you drag it? Right. Okay. Just remove the components. Right. Okay. Right. Now you have to put number 1 here. Number 1. Can you press here? Okay. Now put these together to this cell. No, 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 no. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. Don't do that. Other way. You have to drag from here and keep it here. No. Drag from the whole thing. Keep it there. Now just move right side. Just move right side a little, right side. දකුණට පැත්තට යන්න. මම කිව්වේ අර අන්න ඔය එන්නේ. දැක්කද? ඒක නෙමෙයි. තව ළඟට ගෙනියන්න වම්මත පැත්තට. තව පොඩ වම්මත පැත්තට ගෙනියන්න. අන්න ඔය එන්නේ සුදු පාට එකක්. ඒක ආවමත් ඇරියන. Okay, that's correct. Now you can put everything together to the average, right? Now you can just, oh no. Again, wrong. Drag from here. Drag from here. This location has everything, right? Now you can just, okay, right, drop it. Okay. ඔයා ළඟට ගෙනියනකොට පුතේ සුදු පාට රවුමක් එනවා. ඒ රතු පාට රවුම එද්දි අතාරින්න. ඒක තමයි හරි විදිය. මොකද ඕගොල්ලෝ නැත්තම් ඒ කියන්නේ ඔක ඔපරේෂන් එක පැටලුනොත් වැරදි උත්තරයක් එයි. First you have to add, then you have to divide. එහෙම නැත්තම් එක නම් එකක් විතරයි divide වෙන්නේ. If you done this wrongly. Okay. Now this part is okay. So now you have to move this upwards. Move this upwards and join this. Calculation is okay. Right. Now find the, yes, if this one, if number 1 is greater than, sorry, other one, this one. And put number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2 from the variables. Again. Use the variables again. Yeah. Number 1 and number 2, you can drag it to the places. Number 1 to 1. Yeah. Number 2 to 2. Okay. Great. Right now you have to say, go to the looks. From the looks, please drag, say hello for 2 seconds here, and again say hello for 2 seconds here, and say hello for 2 seconds here as well. For all 3 places. For the last one as well, another one, drag it again, No, keep it there. Drag from this one and keep it underneath, because you need to show number 1, number 2, and the average, all 3. No, Pute, why can't you drag another one? Need 3 instances. 3 instances on. තුනක් ඕන. Hello තුනක් ඕන. තව එකක් අලුතෙන් ගන්න. අලුතෙන් ගන්න looks වලින්. Then දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. තුන්වෙනි එකකුත් ඕන. Rehansa. තව එකක් ඕන. ගන්න. එතනින් දාන්න. හරි. Okay. Now it's okay. Right. Okay. So if this number 1 is greater than, you have to show the number 1. Go to the variables again. Go to the variables and number 1 is greater than number 2. You have to show the number 1. If not, you have to show the number 2. Yes, correct. Place it there. If not, number 2. Don't drag from there, then that will be removed. Drag from here and keep it there. Don't drag from the existing codes, right? Number 2 පුතේ. Number 2 you have to drag and keep it නේද? Then number 1 ලොකුයි නම් if number 1 is greater than understand and do this, right? Don't do this as a drawing. අන්න ඒක මම මතක තියාගන්න ඕන. drawing එකක් වගේ නම් කරන්න එපා. තේරුම් අරගෙන කරන්න. number 1 number 2 ට වඩා විශාල නම් number 1 ව පෙන්වන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් number 2 ව පෙන්වන්න. Right? Then average need to be shown again, right? Average also need to be shown. Don't do as art, right? Refer to that plan, flow chart, and you can do that. Okay, all right. So now you can run the program and see. Just click it and run it. Run and see. Okay. Enter number 1. Please enter a number. Number ka type karanna. Okay, write 90. 90, 90. Enter. Okay. Right. Now the first number is 1. The second number is. Okay. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? 2 numbers. Press the flag again. The first number, try to. Okay, 30 is the first number. Second number 40. Likewise, compare and see. So why you are typing a big number? Okay, this is correct, right? 35 is the average. Okay, now I can see. Right? 40 is the, okay. So, but these answers should be meaningful, right? These answers should be meaningful. Otherwise, like we cannot recognize what this answer is. To do that, I'm going to join this with some other string. Then make a balanako tiyana prashne, right? Okay, when I type here, when I click the flag, it's asking the first number. I'm typing 45. Asking the second number, I'm typing 87. Okay, it's saying 87, just 87, nothing. Then 66. What is 87, 66? We don't know. We know what that is, max and the average, but the user doesn't know. So what do you have to do? You have to add some meaningful things. So I'm going to operations and add this join apple banana to here. Join apple banana to here. Right? Join apple banana. Then N1 I'm going to join with largest number is N1. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry, yes.
Sir, I'm Shamin, sir. Like the previous again, I can't drag and drop it.
Okay, again, after you share the screen, you will be able to. Right.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, I'll give you a chance. Don't worry. So try to do it again. So.
Okay.
Okay, then again. So if you delete this, you will not be able, right? Don't delete this sprite, right? Don't delete this sprite. So check whether your sprite is there. Okay, then again, I'm adding this join apple banana for the second one. And for the second one also, I'm just putting the N2 here. And I'm telling largest number is N2. And I'm going to the last one, that is the average. Again, I'm adding join apple banana and the average to here. Average is the average. Now my answers are meaningful. Why? Because when I click the flag, asking the first number, asking the second number, then it's telling largest number is 76, average is 66. That is meaningful. Let's keep it for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Let's play it again. Enter number 1, 56, enter number 2, 76, and 76 is the largest number. And the average is 66. Okay, this is meaningful. Please revise the code to get this answer. I'm going to send this code to you. I'll download and send this to you. But don't wait. Don't copy from that. Don't copy from that. My expectancy is try to build the application by your own. අනියෙන් කරන්න බලන්න මම එවන්නම් කෝඩ් එක. හැබැයි තනියෙන් කරන්න බලන්න. Okay. Send the code to you, but try your level best to do this alone. If you have any question, you can share the screen, right? Those who have questions can share the screen and I'll help you understand this. Okay, so no one, so everyone is okay, right? Seems.